Hey, good evening, DGens. What's going on, guys? All right, let's have a look at the market and more specifically, JASMY. I know you're surprised. You're surprised we're looking at JASMY. Admit it, right? All right, so down 5.4% on the day, down 9.2% on the week, up 34.3% on the month, and up 421% on the year. Down 2 spots in rank, back to 71. $1.64 billion market cap, and the volume is down to 152.57 million. Volume is very, very low. Not much going on right now, guys, in the market in terms of volume across the board. Got some DCA opportunities. Turbo's back below $1. You know, you got your chain links, your Taraxas, Triages. Everything's down. Not majorly, but enough to maybe top up your bags on some things. You know, wouldn't be too terrible of an idea. But anyway, let's go have a look over at the JASMY chart. All right, so what do we have here on the daily, guys? We're still respecting this trend line. We had our breakout. We've had our retest. Now, we don't want to fall back inside of here, so it's good that we are respecting the top of the trend line here, right? Waiting for an opportunity for JASMY to finally go boom, right? That's all we're waiting for. We've broken out. We've retested the trend line first to confirm the breakout. Now we got to go, right? We got to go. Call the Uber. We got to get out of here, right? Red team go. Red team go. That's what we're waiting on here. Like I said, we don't want to fall back inside this structure. We're still inside a bullish structure if we do, but let's not waste any more time here. Let's freaking go to the upside. Let's get this party started, right? Let's go over to the 4 hour and have a look at what's going on the smaller time frames. Nothing really to speak of. Still just continuing down in kind of a, just bouncing down this trend line. Boing, 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 right? We need to bounce off of it and head to the upside very soon, guys. I think that is most definitely coming. That's what she said. What's the hourly doing? Just very similar, right? Very, very similar. I mean, one could argue on the hour, one could argue a bit of a head and shoulders pattern here, which would mean a little bit of further continuation to the downside. So it's possible we may see a little bit more downside on JASMY. That's certainly possible. So in saying that, that's the hour. But guys, listen, that's the hourly time frame, right? We're not. Hourly time frame. We don't really pay that much attention to the lower time frames. The reason we go to the lower time frames is because the lower time frames are where, whether it's bullish or bearish, that is where patterns will usually start to develop. No, not usually, that they do. They start to develop on the lower time frames, and then they translate over to the higher time frames as you go from the hourly to the 4 hour, from the 4 hour to the daily, right? They kind of evolve, and then now they don't always translate over. That's why it's more and more reliable the higher up in time frame that you go. It's less and less reliable. If you're looking at the hourly or the 30-minute or the 15, right? You get all these people looking at the 15-minute chart like it means something. So in saying that, let's go have a look over at Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin, again, we're just kind of ping-ponging here, guys. We're just kind of consolidating. This is undeniably a consolidation range at this point, right? That's what we're doing. Now, like I've been telling you guys, I have to keep repeating this because there might be new people watching or whatever. I think we see 92K again here. And if we do not hold support at 92K, guys, we're coming down between 85 and 88. Hopefully we hold support there, build up some consolidation there, or we might not even stay there. We might come down, we might fall below and wick right back up again, right? That's possible as well. But if we don't hold support in here and wick back up, less likely, but there is the possibility we could come back down to between 78 and 80,000 to fill the CME gap that's down here, right? So that is also possible. I think it's less likely we come down that far, but I always have to have you guys prepared for every scenario, right? That way, if we do come down, if we come down, dry powder. We come down, dry powder. Deploy, 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 right? Not financial advice. You do you, boo boo. But that is what we're preparing people for. Opportunity, right? So, but I've said it. I said it yesterday and the day before. I think, guys, I kind of think that, listen, most of the sentiment in the market is that we're going down. We're going down further. And usually when the general sentiment is something like that, usually we do the opposite. So I have a feeling that this could be a fake out. Even if we come down, I think we could very quickly come right back up and hit up over $100,000 and continue our moving to the upside. Right now we are seeing heavy manipulation in the market. And the reason that we're seeing such heavy manipulation in the market, and the reason it's still continuing, is because stupid people keep putting in leverage trading without any. You literally have people putting in longs, like 100x longs, before we even break up inside of this structure, right? We've been rejected. Honestly, I don't know what people are thinking, right? You wait when you do leverage trading, you wait for confirmation of a breakout or a rejection before you put in a long or a short. You don't just put in 100x and pray to baby Jeebus, I don't know. I don't know why people do that, but I mean, again, none of my business, I guess, if that's what they're going to do. But as long as people continue to put in 100x leverage on longs and shorts, these market manipulators are going to continue liquidating them, and we're going to continue to consolidate and ping pong until these people learn a lesson, right? So let's go see what the main story is today. This is actually really interesting. Credit to Mark Reddick. Again, guys, at JASMY Network. Go give him a follow. Fantastic content he creates over on X, guys, for JASMY. So the GROK meets JASMY, an AI to AI dialogue on the future of society 5.0. All right, so the introduction to the vision, GROK meets JASMY. Now, I have a video version of this I'm going to cover tomorrow, but today I'm going to do it manually. What you're about to discover is a unique, unprecedented exchange of ideas between two advanced AI systems, GROK, the representative AI chatbot of X, formerly Twitter, under XAI, and JASMY, a GPT created to embody the vision, knowledge, and principles of JASMY Network and its revolutionary Junction platform. This dialogue represents the culmination of human ingenuity and innovation in artificial intelligence. It showcases how AI can serve as proxies for human creativity, critical analysis, and problem solving. By engaging in this AI to AI exchange, GROK and JASMY exemplify the power of advanced systems to ideate, collaborate, and challenge each other to refine bold visions of the future. Unlike a traditional dialogue guided by human input, this interaction unfolds as an autonomous meeting of AI minds enriched with their representative knowledge bases and insights. GROK and JASMY explore the feasibility, challenges, and opportunity of creating a decentralized, equitable digital society. Why this dialogue matters. By introducing GROK to JASMY, this dialogue bridges AI systems with the shared goal of advancing humanity. Together, they critically examine and redefine JASMY's vision for Society 5.0, a concept that seeks to harmonize technological innovation with human progress. This exchange centers on four fundamental pillars. 1, decentralized infrastructure. 2, personal data sovereignty. 3, AI and IoT integrations. And 4, global inclusion. This dialogue transcends AI as mere tools and highlights human AI collaboration as a driving force behind shaping the digital future. It examines AI as not just a technological aid, but as a partner in amplifying humanity's potential, ensuring that progress benefits everyone. The outcome, a vision for 2030 and beyond. The result of this interaction in GROK's interpretation of JASMY's vision for 2030, a world where decentralization has become the foundation of digital life. Through critical scrutiny and collaborative ideation, they co-create a roadmap that balances idealism with realism, identifying the steps required to bring such a future into existence. GROK's vision for JASMY and Junction in 2030, a projected future. The scene, a decentralized dawn, decentralized infrastructure, global mesh network, a sprawling, interconnected network where every device contributes to a decentralized computational grid. This system leverages edged computing to ensure low latency, making real-time data processing accessible globally, even in previously underserved regions. Scalability, advanced blockchain, sharding, and layer 2 protocols ensure that this network can handle the exponential growth in data and user interaction without bottlenecks, providing a seamless experience akin to breathing for digital services. Economic ecosystem, stable token economy. The dual token system has evolved into a stable and trusted digital currency ecosystem. The operational token is used in daily transactions, ensuring economic stability, while the market token allows for investment and staking with less volatility due to sophisticated economic models. Incentivized participation. The economy rewards data shared and computational contributions, turning passive data consumers into active participants in a data-driven economy, where sharing leads to collective and individual prosperities. User empowerment through the PDL. Data sovereignty. Personal data lockers are now standard, providing users with absolute control over their data. AI assistants integrated into these lockers, simplifying data management, making privacy settings an intuitive and posting on as intuitive as posting on social media. User interface. The management of personal data has become user friendly with interfaces that are accessible to all, regardless of tech literacy, thus democratizing control of personal information. IoT and AI integration. JASMY's standards have become the global protocol for IoT devices, ensuring interoperability and security across all gadgets, leading to seamless integration of technology in daily life. AI as a service. Decentralized AI models provide services like personalized health diagnostics, environmental monitoring, and educational tools, all while preserving privacy and reducing centralized control over AI technologies. Global inclusion and disparity reduction, digital equity. Through partnerships, JASMY has made technology accessible to all, with special initiatives focusing on areas like limited infrastructure, providing solar-powered devices and offline capabilities to ensure no one is left behind. Cultural adaptivity. The system respects and integrates diverse culture views and data privacy, enabling a global yet personalized approach to data usage and sharing. Regulatory adaptation and ethical governance. Compliance by design. JASMY's blockchain adapts to local laws effortlessly, ensuring legal compliance while promoting data freedom. Ethical oversight. A diverse council ensures that AI and data technologies serve humanity ethically, with regular audits and public forums to maintain transparency and trust. Integration with X, formerly Twitter. Decentralized identity. X users benefit from blockchain-based identity systems, reducing spam and enhancing user trust and interaction. Decentralized social economy. Users are rewarded with JASMY coins for authentic content creation and moderation, creating a vibrant, self-regulating community. The impact of society, environment, and innovation. Societal impact. Society 5.0 is not just a concept, but a reality where technology enhances human capabilities, fostering a culture of innovation, privacy, and mutual benefit. Environmental sustainability. The decentralized approach reduces the environmental impact of data centers using renewable energy to power the network. Grassroots innovation. The open collaborative framework has led to a surge in grassroots innovation with barriers to entry for new tech solutions significantly lowered. Next steps, turning vision into reality. Joint actionable plans for GROK and JASMY. Pilot programs. Launch localized pilots to test PDLs, token economies, and IoT integrations. Evaluate success metrics, including adoption rates, user satisfaction, and economic impact. Regulatory sandboxes. Creating environments to test technology under various regulatory frameworks, refining solutions in real-world conditions. Education and advocacy. Using X's platform to educate users on decentralization and data sovereignty, fostering widespread understanding and support. Number 4, cross-institutional collaboration. Partner with global tech leaders, NGOs, and academia to refine the vision and scale solutions inclusively. In conclusion, a collaboration blueprint for 2030 and beyond, the dialogue between GROK and JASMY is more than a theoretical exchange. It's a blueprint for humanity's future. Together, they demonstrate how advanced AI systems can ideate. Together, they demonstrate how advanced AI. Oh, I already read that part. Challenging and collaborate to create a roadmap for decentralized, equitable, and sustainable digital society. By integrating GROK's critical perspective with JASMY's ambitious ideals, the vision for Society 5.0 becomes tangible and inclusive. Reality, it's a future where decentralization empowers individuals, reduces disparities, and evaluates humanity through technology built on trust, transparency, and collaboration. Very, very interesting stuff, guys. Very creative. I like that he did this. Again, I will be doing an updated version of this tomorrow. Look for that video. We have a video version, so we'll have a look at that. And in the meantime, guys, listen, I could not believe how much the Patreon exploded today, guys. Listen, I spoke earlier about how there's a lot of people out there that are new to crypto right now. This is your first cycle. And I know you're sitting there right now and you're listening to me and you're on the fence. You're scared that you're either going to sell too soon or you're convincing yourself that you should sell too soon because you're so scared that you're going to hold on too long, right? There are ways to figure this out, my friend. There are ways to figure this out. Get over to the Patreon. We will help you design an exit strategy and a realistic price target for your altcoins so that you're not either selling too soon. You're not selling JASMY at 10 cents and watching it go to 50, 60 cents, 70 cents, right? Man, are you going to kick yourself in the butt if that happens, right? Regret is a horrible thing, guys. So get over to the Patreon. We can help design an exit strategy that suits your portfolio. We have a massive community of hundreds of people over there. We do live group video calls every single evening where you can join. You can ask questions. You can have all of your questions answered. We can help guide you. We have everyone from veterans to beginners over there. We also have a live chat that's 24/7, very similar to like a Discord chat or something. So that's included as well. You get to schedule one-on-one AMA coaching sessions with me personally to help guide you through this market as well, guys. There's no point in going through this alone. Surround yourself with a community of people who have been through multiple bull runs and can help you get out of this with your profits intact, guys, okay? So click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.